Cream of chicken, $1.99 a can. Puts us at $4 for 2 cans. Ritz crackers, $3.99. Sour cream, $1.50 for 1 container. Poppy seeds at $4.59. See this total right here? $12.42. Now let's account for the chicken we've already got at home. Let's say $6. That means we're gonna be able to make this meal for about $18. Remember, our goal is always to have the meal under $20 for you. All right, now after putting some garlic herb seasoning on this, drying this chicken out a little bit, we're putting it on a vacuum seal bag. It's gonna get a little loud probably. We're gonna vacuum seal this for about 30 seconds before this chicken goes into the sous vide for 2 hours. Now that chicken's gonna be cooked all the way through. It's gonna be soft, it's gonna be tender when it comes out, and then we're gonna put it into that poppy seed chicken casserole. It just finished up. Now it's just pulling that air out, and let's see how it turns out. So as you can see, it's sealed perfectly. So now it goes into sous vide. All right, so we've put the chicken on about 142 in here. It's gonna cook for 2 hours. We're gonna take it out, we're gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna cut it up into cubes, and we're gonna put it in that poppy seed chicken casserole. Right, we've got our condensed chicken soup, and we've got our sour cream in here. We're gonna be adding it over here for our chicken and this, and then we're gonna be topping it with that butter and Ritz crackers. We're gonna cook it for about 30 minutes at 350.
Finished product for just under $18. Make sure to subscribe below for more recipes, cooking for $8 less for a family of 4.